The rising of the giver of light. Making peace its epitome, flora and fauna have brought so much delight to our lovely home. This is when the humans emerged. Destruction and wars made it worse. Nature and man got entirely diverged, making our earth just worse and worse. We are using our resources greedily. We humans are making our trees evade. Rivers are getting lessened supremely, and this might be our worst mistake. Man made trees cut, 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 thinking as if there are no avail, but now we need to shut, shut, shut. Our mischiefs are making the planet frail. Time is hasty and just flew. Many things to learn and unlearn. Let's stop regretting and do something new, because nature's importance can never be denied.